snake twist on the chair. So you're gonna start with having your client, we're gonna do the right side. So Neil's gonna sit on his chair. We're gonna cross our right foot over left. Start to find your teaser, reaching your right fingertips towards your pedal. I'm gonna guide him the whole way. From here, you start to find your palm as you twist that top left hip toward the opposite edge as you press the pedal down. Finding that reach, 2 shoulders, 2 ribs, 2 hips square. Then you're gonna find that twist. Start to rotate back to your teaser in your snake twist, dropping that left hip, opposite hip down. We're gonna just do one more. It's super exhausting, super hard. Finding that rotation through the rib cage, not letting the shoulder girdle pop, pushing that top hip forward, not leaving it back and behind. Huge avoidance you wanna watch out for. Then start to roll back. Finding that opposition, finding the length, lowering the legs down, sitting up super tall. We're on 2 light springs. You can always go a little heavier if your client needs the assistant, but 2 light springs for snake twist.